To marinate the chicken for the biryani, add half a cup of yogurt to the chicken, followed by half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half to 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix the ingredients well. Let the chicken be coated well with the masala. Set it aside for 20 minutes or overnight. Heat half a cup of oil in a pot or a heavy bottom pan and drop in 8 cardamom pods into it, 1½ teaspoon of cumin seeds, and saute it till it splutters and you get a nice aroma. Now add in 3 big onions that are sliced. Saute them on a medium heat till the onions soften and become pale. Then add 6 slit green chillies and continue sauteing for a while before you add in 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Fry this until the pungent odor of the ginger garlic paste disappears. Now add 6 small tomatoes that are roughly chopped. Stir and mash them with the back of your spoon as they soften. Close the lid for 2 minutes, let the tomatoes turn mushy. Once you remove the lid, pour in 3/4 cup of tomato puree, stir this for around a minute or 2, then add a tablespoon of coriander powder. Stir well, and while the heat is still on medium, add the marinated chicken pieces. Pour in the marinade too and mix the chicken really well. Now season with some salt and stir. After a while, check the taste and add more salt and chili powder if needed. Close the lid and let the chicken cook for 15 minutes. Simmer the flame later on. Keep stirring the chicken in between. Now remove the lid and transfer the chicken to another vessel while leaving some masala beneath. Then add in a layer of rice that is 75% cooked on top of the masala. In total, I have used 600 grams of rice. Now spread the chicken masala over the rice. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, then add in some coriander and mint leaves. And a tablespoon or 2 of milk. You can use saffron milk too. Cover this with another layer of rice and follow the same procedure. So I have made 3 layers just like this. So for the final layer, we'll just add in some rice. Close the lid and let this cook for around 15 minutes on a low heat. And turn off the flame and remove the lid only after 10 to 15 minutes. Gently mix the rice with the masala before serving. This looks just perfect. The flavor and the aroma, wow! Serve it hot and enjoy every spoon just like my family and I did. You can serve the biryani with raita. Enjoy!